In this video, I'm going to show you how to get sultry, beachy waves. I wear my hair in this style about 80% of the time. I have pretty coarse hair and a lot of it, so if I can achieve this in 10 curls, I'm sure you can too. I use a 1 1/4 inch Hot Tools Signature Series Gold Curling Iron. I like using a curling iron with a clip because it gives me more control. It goes up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, but even with my thick hair, I don't max out the heat setting and I keep it around here. A wide tooth comb to brush out the curls. OGX Dry Argan Oil to give it some shine. And Lush's R&B Hair Moisturizer to add some moisture and texture. Start by combing out your hair with the comb to make sure there are no knots or tangles. Then separate your hair into 2 even chunks. I curl my hair with the clip always facing forward so the curls are always going away from my face. Take 1 chunk of the hair and start with the back and section out roughly 1/3 of the hair. You don't need to get too particular here. Pull the section of the hair tight and clamp the curler down around the middle. You don't want to start too close to the scalp because you need room to actually wrap the hair around the curler. Try not to overlap the hair on the curler. You basically want to curl in increments. To wrap a new section, gently press down on the clamp with small controlled movements to clamp more hair into the curler. Practice this motion and it will make curling your hair a lot easier. Go down until you have about 1 inch of hair sticking out on the end. Unravel the curling iron rather than opening the clamp, then pull the curling iron straight down over the end piece that you left out. This will make the ends look a bit more natural. Follow the same process for the other 2 sections you have left on this side. Once you've completed one side, use the wide tooth comb to comb out the curls, then repeat the same process on the other side. And when you're done, comb it out. So now that we have a base of wavy hair, we're going to add some finishing touches. Section out a piece of hair from the back. Just take a top layer from one side and follow the same curling technique. Comb it out, and when you're done, do the same on the other side. Curl these pieces close to your roots. Now we'll do the face framing pieces. So chunk out a section of hair in the front, curl it, comb it out, and do this on both sides. The last finishing touch is to give a bit of a lift to your hair without doing the old school tease and making your hair look like a bird's nest. Grab a shallow top layer and place the curling iron underneath it and wiggle it around so it forms the shape of the curler and gives it a bit of a lift. You probably can't see much of a difference in the video, but it's a small finishing touch that helps when your roots are feeling hella flat. Once it's all done, I do a light spray of the dry argan oil and also add a pea-sized amount of the R&B hair moisturizer to calm down my flyaways and add a bit of texture. And there you have it! Beachy, wavy hair in 10 curls in under 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching!